Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra for running. First, make sure your watch is running the most recent software for optimal performance. Next, calibrate your watch by walking or running outdoors for at least 20 minutes on a flat, open area. This helps improve the accuracy of your distance and pace measurements, especially when GPS is unavailable. Finally, personalize your workout display to see the data most important to you at a glance. Your Apple Watch Ultra offers a wealth of data to enhance your running. Pay close attention to your heart rate zones to ensure you're training effectively, whether for endurance or speed. The running power metric provides a real-time measure of your effort, helping you maintain consistent output. Additionally, metrics like vertical oscillation and ground contact time can offer valuable feedback on your running efficiency and form, helping you improve over time. Take your training to the next level with the advanced features of your Apple Watch Ultra. Design custom workouts with precise intervals for high-intensity training or recovery. Challenge yourself by using the race route feature, allowing you to compete against your previous best times on a favorite course. You can also set pace alerts to receive notifications if you fall outside your desired speed range, helping you maintain your target effort. Safety is paramount, especially on longer runs. Your Apple Watch Ultra includes fall detection and emergency SOS, providing peace of mind. After your run, dive into the comprehensive summaries available in the Fitness app on your iPhone. Here, you can analyze your performance, track your recovery metrics, and observe long-term trends in your fitness journey. This data helps you understand your progress and plan future training effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.